Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code DC door latch not detected fix. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You just have to turn off the power by flipping the dishwasher circuit breaker switch to off position. Wait for exactly 5 minutes to allow residual memory to drain. Restore the power by flipping the breaker back on to check if the clutch is resolved. Fix 2. Check for obstruction. Push both the top and bottom rack completely into the machine. Check for protruding silverware, large pots or plates blocking the door. Ensure the rubber door gasket is set firmly in the track. Fix 3. Clean the latch mechanism. You just have to locate the plastic latch assembly at the top center of the door frame. Clean the latch and catch hold using a damp cloth to remove residue. Scrub away dry detergent or grease with a old toothbrush. Fix 4. Inspect the door switch and wiring. Disconnect the power by turning off the circuit breaker before handling internal wires. Remove the internal panel by unscrewing the screws securely the door panel. Check the connection for any loose, burn or disconnect wires leading to door switch. Test continuity using a multimeter on the door switch terminals and replace the switch if there is no continuity when pressed. Thanks for watching.